So hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss another problem which is called as two-sum. It's quite famous problem. So before diving into the code, let's just first read the problem. Given an array of integer nums and an integer target, return indices of two numbers such that they add up to target. Okay, you may assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you may not use the same element twice. Okay, you can return the answer in any order. Okay, uh, input nums is 2 7 11 15, target is 9, so 0 and 1. Why? Because element at 0th index is 2, element at first index is 7, so 7 plus 2 is 9. So okay, correct. So answer is 0 comma 1. Okay, correct. So one logic which I could here think of is using logic of pairs. So I think logic of pairs I have discussed in one of my previous videos. If not, please do watch it again. So by using logic of pairs we can, I think, simply write the code. So for I is equal to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus. Then second is for j is equal to I plus 1, j less than nums dot length j plus plus, sorry, j plus plus. Okay, if nums of I plus nums of j is equal to target, then okay, so we need to actually return the answer in the form of a array which contains two elements. So let's define the array. Int answer is equal to 0 comma 0. Okay, and so answer of 0 is equal to I and answer of 1 is equal to j. And then what? Lastly, return answer. Okay, return answer. So let's try to run this. Okay, intj, it should be intj, my bad, sorry. I think everything should be fine now. Yes, it's correct. Let's try to submit this. Okay, fine, it's accepted. So this was quite easy problem. Based on logic of pairs, the time complexity here would be order of n square. This is because we are using nested loops and space complexity is order of 1. However, if we wish to reduce time complexity from order of n square to order of n, we might need to compromise with space complexity. So we might need to use a hash map or a hash set, probably a hash map. However, in my till now videos I haven't discussed anything related to hash maps, so I will not be discussing that approach in this video. Of course we will be discussing it in some later videos. As far as this video is concerned, I think we will be doing this with a pair of logics only. And however, we need to discuss another approach which is in n log n. So to discuss that approach, we first need to discuss the intuition behind the behind the code. So consider we have an array -1 4 2 3 -8 7 6 5, like this. And the target sum is target sum is our so it would be like this: -1 4. Target sum is, let's consider target sum is 4. Okay, so if the target sum is 4, actually for 4 then there are two pairs, one is minus, okay, so sorry, only one pair is there, which is 5 and minus 1. 5 and minus 1 is one pair, and is there any other pair? 7, no, no. Okay, 5 and minus 1, and then what? Okay, nothing else. Okay, fine. So there is one pair which is 5 and minus 1. So what we will do is we will first sort this array. So as you know, we have discussed in the previous videos, we can sort array like arrays dot sort, and in bracket name of array. So time complexity of this will be n log of n. So perfect. Now what we will do is we will iterate through the array for I is equal to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus, and then what we will do after the sorting is done. So let's consider we have sorted this array. So how will the array look after sorting? -8 minus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Is there any number we are missing? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, perfect. So this is what we would get after sorting. Now what we will do, we will apply our I will start from here, and we will apply binary search from in this part of array to search target minus ARR of I, to search target minus ARR of I. So what we will do is we will apply binary search on array nums, starting position I plus 1, ending position nums dot length minus 1, and we will search target minus ARR of I. So what we are doing is basically we are iterating over the whole array, and at each I position we are doing binary search in the remaining array. We are doing binary search in the remaining array to search the target minus ARR of I, and if we get it, we will return the index for both of them. Okay, so the time complexity for this for loop will be n, and time complexity for the binary search will be log n. So the total time complexity will be n log n. However, this solution, so what's the time complexity of this approach? Time complexity for this approach will be n n log n, and space complexity would be order of 1. However, we cannot use this approach on our LeetCode question. This is because when we are sorting the array, the elements are getting rearranged, so the index which we would get after getting our desired pair will not be equal to same what they were previously, because we have sorted the array. So sorting will basically change the elements inside array. Okay, so that's why I have just discussed the concept or the idea, but we will not be implementing it. This is because it will not be accepted on LeetCode. So as far as this problem is concerned, we have discussed two approaches. One, brute force using logic of pairs, nested for loop, time complexity order of n square, space complexity order of 1. second in n log n, in which used we first sorted the array and then applied a regular for loop, and then inside for loop we applied binary search from I plus 1 to last element of array to find the element target minus ARR of I. Okay, so time complexity in this case was n log n, space complexity order of 1. However, there is one more optimized solution to this using a hash map. However, as of now I have not discussed hash map, so I will not tell or discuss that particular solution in this video, but this is for sure I will discuss it in upcoming one once we are done with hash maps. So thank you everyone for watching till end. If you think I have made any significant contribution in your logic building, please do consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.